Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Learn with Sunil. Today we are going to learn English workshop of World Heritage. Before that, I request you to subscribe my channel and tap the bell icon. Therefore, you will be notified as soon as I upload a new video. English workshop. First question. Write the importance of the years given below with refer to World Heritage Sites. Year 1959. Importance. UNESCO launched an international campaign to protect the temples and artifacts in Egypt. 1965. A White House conference in United States called for a World Heritage Trust to protect historic cultural sites, significant natural and scenic sites. 1968. The International Union for Conservation of Nature developed similar goals as above. 1972. The International Union for Conservation of Nature presented the goals at United Nations Conference of Human Environment in Stockholm, Sweden. 2009. There are 890 World Heritage Sites that are located in 148 countries. Next question. Name the following. A. The country where Mount Hangshan is situated. China. Next. The famous dam in Egypt on River Nile. Aswan High Dam. C. The place where the conference based on human environment was held. In Stockholm, Sweden. Next. The country in which the highest number of World Heritage Sites are. Italy. Next. The body which can exclude a site from World Heritage List. World Heritage Committee. Next, a World Heritage Sites includes forests, lakes, monuments, buildings and cities. Next, there are around 890 World Heritage Sites in the world. Next, the role of World Heritage Committee is to include or exclude a site in from World Heritage List, to allocate resources from the World Heritage Fund to sites in danger, to put plans to protect and or restore the sites. Or the role of World Heritage Committee is the main group responsible for establishing which site will be listed as UNESCO World Heritage Site. Next, the tenure of World Heritage Committee is 6 years. Next, we can get more information about World Heritage Site from its website at whc.unesco.org. Next question. Complete the following web by giving reasons why World Heritage Sites are in danger. World Heritage Sites are in danger. Earthquakes, uncontrolled urbanization, air pollution, acid rain, war, heavy tourist traffic, natural disasters, poaching. Next question. Answer in your own words. A. What are the duties towards preservation of any historical site? We must do following things or duties towards preservation of historical sites. We must obey rules and regulations as a visitor which are displayed at the entrance. We should maintain discipline and order in the surroundings of historical site. We ought to maintain cleanliness there. We should use dustbins and garbage bags in order to collect garbage and keep the area clean. We should keep silence while visiting such places. We must maintain environmental safety in and around the historical place. We have to protect our country's history, heritage. Next, why should we preserve the World Heritage Sites? World Heritage Sites are places that are significant culturally and naturally. They vary in type and include forests, lakes, monuments, buildings and sites. So we must preserve them. We should also preserve them for following reasons. Heritage gives us a sense of identity. These sites contribute to our cultural and economic well-being. It is the only way to save them because once a piece of history is lost or destroyed, it is lost forever. Next, what is the role of World Heritage Sites in promoting tourism in any country? The World Heritage Committee assigns resources from World Heritage Fund to protect the sites in danger. In addition, different plans are executed by the committee to protect and or restore the sites. It helps the tourists in providing places for exploration, sightseeing and ultimately promotes the tourism in that country. Next question. Read the following duties towards preservation of any historical site and make sentences about each of our duties. Our duties towards preservation of any historical place. First, we must obey rules and regulations as a visitor which are displayed at the entrance. Next, we should maintain discipline and order in the surrounding of historical site. Next, we ought to maintain cleanliness there. Next, we should use dustbins and garbage bags in order to collect garbage and keep the area clean. Next, we should keep silence while visiting such places. Next, we must maintain environmental safety in and around the historical place. Next, we have to protect our country's history or heritage.